regardless of where you live in the country. The spring weather is upon us, and so you'll probably be debuting some polos here shortly. I'm going to talk about this style first. This is a quarter zip, obviously in a short sleeve. We went with a contrast collar, cuff, and bottom, but this particular pattern here is a really unique like basket weave, and obviously that mocha color is on point. We're seeing tons of it coming out of Europe right now, so chances are you probably don't have something like this in your rotation, so this would be a great way to add a really unique and distinctive polo. Let's talk about details. So with polos, certainly in custom, you can dictate the number of buttons down the front, one being the smallest, 3 being the most common. With custom polos, we do as many as 5. And so, as in all things men's fashion, you want to think about proportion. This would be a great option for somebody like myself who's on the shorter side. If you're a standard height, the 3 button is probably a cool look. And if you're north of 6'2", you might consider adding a 4th or even a 5th button on the shirt. On that note, if you want to try something that is completely just different and very sleek European, you can also either purchase or commission a custom polo that has no buttons down the front. It's just a more sleek look without the buttons right there. So something to consider as you're breaking out your warmer weather outfits. Happy dressing, my friends.